How to enable or disable hide time or place recommendations in calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then tap on the menu button on the top left. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down. And in here, tap on Lapse. Then tap on Hide, Time or Place, Recommendations. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. And it said here, times and place won't be recommended when you enter event titles if you switch this on. Finally, tap on the back key to go back to your calendar, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.